What's up, lads? We're back. This is my first vlog, and we're finally gonna see this sport. The store's not open yet, but we'll just check. Here's the figures, dude. Some good movie. Sandmans. So, wala pang price. Woo! Display lang. Hot to go sick. Ano? Pangit kaya pangit.
Meron pa din sa baba.
Hindi ano yun, ayun yung store. Ito lang, pang display lang to. Ano to? Ah, premium Bandai. They got introduced to Kaisen in One Piece.
Yun na may One Piece.
Oh
my god. Oh my god. Oh.
Yeah, sword. Titignan mo si Kong, oh. Yo, we got Gohan.
What is the new impact?
Yeah, yun eh.
Eh, nasan yung new army ah?
Wala pa. Hindi pa nila ginagawa eh. This part is good. Sana.
That's all of this.
They got Shigawatsu new. Kasi God. They got Mecha Frieza. And the new Vegeta. That's still not coming out. And the Sun God Mika. Luffy. With the new Naruto figure. I think that's a darker pink job, but yeah. Welcome to Tamashii Sport Hong Kong. I will be back there. Alright lads, time to buy. I'm just here to buy. Oh, wag mo nga pasok dapat fully open. Yay! Wala mo papasok. Ulit. Welcome to my dreams. Alright, lads. Siyempre, ano mo gagawin ko? So, 8. Ano po 8? Wala makita, guys. At balag wax.
Daddy, look at this. Daddy, look.
May price ba ito sa likod? Where are the Bosu pa? 280 superhero. Tikat. What the hell? Kasi yung price. Kasi yung price. Sanji Yamato. I can't see the price, you know. Netflix. Super. Okay. Dragon Ball Z. Ah, ito Piccolo. 220 Piccolo. Check ko muna. Kasi ibang prices. Super, ito pa. 220. Check lang, may ikot-ikot lang. Dito pa meron pa pala. Oh, ito yung mga exclusives. 530 the new Naruto. God, it's Sandland. Ito yung mga exclusive eh. Wait lang.
Eto.
Dito nga.
Huwag ka na lumayo.
Pero di ko makita price kasi din napakalito.
390.
Eto. Saan?
Daddy, look at this.
Sandland. Yung ano. Kasi hindi ko mabasa. Miyo.
Pwede naman tanongin eh. Mami, tingnan mo. Ay,
Tanong ko price na.
video ng...
How much is this?
D19 ah.
Ah, sorry.